guys, welcome to a new video. My name is Mika. For those who are new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So in today's video, we are going to be reviewing the new Telfar Distress Shopper. I got it, guys. All right, so we're going to open it up. Alright, so I'm going to sit this aside. Okay, so here's the bag, guys. It is the distressed version. As you can see, it's frayed here. And then I like the coloring here, how it kind of fade. Like, it really looks like you have on a pair of jeans. So I really like that. And then here's the back side, more fraying. Fraying here. I like this little emblem right here of the Telfar with the little leather on there. I thought this super cute. But yeah, so this is the back. And this is the front. So yeah, this is really giving blue jean, y'all. Really giving blue jean. Alright guys, so I'm going to be showing you what fits in this bag, how big it is. I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and we're going to go ahead and get started, okay? Alright guys, so it does come with a zipper. I really like that part. And it also has like this cute like Telfar emblem on the zipper. I really like that because other bags with Telfar, you can't zip them up. So, you know, you risk your stuff like falling out. So I really like that they put a zipper up in here because, baby, we need the zipper, okay? All right, so it's really wide. Let's see. This is going to be the test. Let's see what fits in here. All right, guys, so we're going to see what fits in this bag. How does it feel? Do I feel like it's sturdy? Like I said, this bag is it is blue jean material, so it's not as thick as the leather bags. So I do have my work laptop, and it's a 16-inch MacBook. So we're gonna see how this feels. I usually get the medium shopper bags in Telfar for it to be my work bag whenever I want to go and co-work somewhere, or just want to sit down, or I need to bring my laptop. So I want to see how this bag fits in here. So let's see. All right, so it definitely fits in the bag, but it is really heavy. As you can see, like it kind of droops down here, like the bag kind of loses its shape. So I definitely do not think that I would be putting this laptop in this bag. Yeah, just definitely not. So if I have to go anywhere and I need to bring this work laptop, I don't think it will be in this bag. So I do have another MacBook that I do use. It is a 13-inch MacBook Pro. So I want to put this in a bag. I want to see how this feels in the bag. So it definitely fits. Let's test. So yeah, so this kind of droops down too as well, but it's not as heavy as the 16-inch MacBook. I don't know if I necessarily would carry this laptop in here either. I'm just super afraid of the bag losing its shape, the jeans stretching out. Yeah, so that's a no. So I'm going to put all of my other stuff that I usually carry in my everyday bag, and let's just kind of see how this goes, how the bag fits. So yeah, let's go. So I usually sometimes I'll bring my iPad mini. I like to read on my iPad, do some organization, so that usually goes in the bag. A charger, because you never know when you're gonna have a charger port. So yeah, of course I gotta bring my hand sanitizer. I also have a wireless portable phone charger just in case there's no plug anywhere. I have a manicure set. My nails get a little, you know, those little things on the side of y'all nails and then be messing with your hair and stuff. So if you need to like kind of file your nail or whatnot, I like to keep this in here. I also have some tweezers. I got everything in here. So I usually bring a purse hook with me to hang on a table. So if there's no purse hook at the bar or whatever, this comes in handy, sis. It's wide and it can literally fit off any countertop. Of course, lip gloss goes in the bag. Some perfume. Of course, my wallet. And then right now, I carry 2 phones, so drop both of those in here. And of course, my earpads. So let's zip the bag up. Yeah, I love this zipper though. See how it feels. Okay, so the bag isn't really losing shape here. It feels heavy, but I think it's workable. And then the straps though, the straps are thin. Like I feel like they could have, the shoulder straps, it could have been like double lined. The straps do have fraying on them as well. Let's put it on my shoulder. It's on here, y'all. What y'all think? It's on here. It's on here. And this is cute. Yeah, I think for personal reasons, I probably should have gotten the mini one. I think that would have been a lot better because I don't like the way that strap hangs off. But I think it's really cute. I mean, I can see myself just toting it like this, y'all, going everywhere. I don't think I would be using the shoulder straps in, you know, a lot. But Telfar did his thing, though. I give you that. It definitely is a jean bag. It definitely feels like blue jeans. I really like it. Yeah. Okay, Telfar. Okay. But I do want the original Telfar bag. So, Telfar, if you ever like just happen to come across this channel, I'm gonna need for you to make that happen, okay? Please. But yeah, so this is my review of the Telfar medium shopping bag. If you have the bag, you know, or the medium bag, the mini bag, let me know what you think about the bag. Let me know what your experience is. If you had it during the initial first drop, I want to know if your bag lasting. Like, is it out of shape? Has anything like the jean like torn? Like, I want to know. Give me the goods. Give me the details. But yeah, so this is another purse review. I have another purse that's in my eyesight. I'm not gonna say it yet because I just want to make sure I get the bag first. You know what I mean. But yeah, so I have another bag in my eyesight, but this is my bag. I also have another denim bag that I'm going to be doing a review on as well. But I wanted to get on here and let y'all see the Telfar denim shopper, because a lot of people have been wanting the bag. And if you are trying to secure the bag, then watch my video about the Telfar jelly bag. I share with you guys like how I am able to get my hands on the bag. So watch that video and you'll get an insider tip on how you can secure your next Telfar bag. Until next time, y'all.